If we divide 161 by 5 in a long division method, so 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 1 and it is 11. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 161 divided by 5 is 32 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.